Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. And as you see here, guys, what the Bitcoin is giving us here in the daily candle. By the way, let's zoom it a little bit for the picture to be more clear to you. As you see, it gives us here like a pin bar here in the daily. That's what I told you in the last video. I told you either that Friday is going to, Saturday and Sunday is going to go up, or we are going to fall down more. So here in the daily, it's still very early, guys. As I showed you yesterday in the video, I told you if it doesn't come and breaking for us that downtrend line here, also we are not going to enter. And that what it's still, also we still here in that place sideways, guys. So there is nothing here. And here, as I showed you before, give us here a head and shoulder, but he couldn't break here. That supply and demand zone also we have down. By the way, that supply and demand zone, it started from here till here. So till now, it doesn't show no power to push in higher, guys. But and the market here is getting dry and dry and dry and dry. If you look in here with me, look here, every time he getting lower and lower. That's when the sellers, they don't got no power anymore to push that one down here. And that one is a very good signal, but let's wait on what's going to happen. And me, I told you it might is going to make like a correction like that. Then after that, there is a drop. Then we are going to go higher, guys. So if you are a long-term investor, just start this A. Forget about everything. Just start this A. Or if you want to enter from the bottom, collecting cash as possible. So when is it the right time? Also, we're going to give you a signal and you're going to enter from it. It's very simple, my friend. To get our signal, just down a red button, click at it. You're going to become subscribed. Next to it, a bell, turn it to all. So like that, when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. It's very simple. It will not take you that much. And also, we put in every day, guys, 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. So like that, when we put in something new, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join our Telegram channel. The link of our Telegram channel is in the first comment. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now, let me show you my chart, what I got. My chart, nothing was changed, guys. As you see it, we still have here the down channel, and also we still down in the big long-term trend. And that level here, that yellow level, it's still very stronger. As you see it, we couldn't even break it off. So till now, there is nothing confirmed here in the daily, guys. Everything is too clear. Let's go now to see our indicators, guys, what they say for the picture to be more clear to you. That one here, as you see it, guys, as we are in the daily, it was so close to touch here, but still some room for it to fall down till here. Let's wait and see if it's going to touch here or not. If it doesn't, maybe from here it's going to go up. But till now, us guys here, we're still in the control of the bears. There is no bulls yet in the market. And if you remember what me I told you yesterday about Tesla and Q3 and the Bitcoin they had, maybe they are going to sell some of the Bitcoin to balance the sales of them or the losses of them. So we need to make a close eye at the coming days what they are going to tell us, guys. But till now, there is nothing confirmed. And today, there is the expiration day of that $580 million of options. People, they being hedging against the risk. We're going to see if it's going to enter to the market or no. And people, they are waiting the interest rate, which is going to come next month, guys. Everything is too clear. Let's see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. By the way, I know you are a subscriber. You smash the like button, my friend. Go ahead and do it. Helping us, guys. Smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You know that channel with how to get growing up. So please, smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if you could even share the video, my friend. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. Let's see our other indicator, what it's saying, guys. That one here, nothing was changed, the same thing. We still have here the divergence, as we said before, and we still here in a very stronger supply and demand zone, guys. Until now, nothing confirmed, unless if it came a breaking for us, that price action which is here. If it doesn't, also we are not going to enter, guys. So it's still very early for us to enter, because as I show you in my chart, also we got here a long-term trend, and also we are below it now. So it's need at least to come back inside the trend line. Then also we will be confirmed the market is going to reverse. And as you see here with the 200 moving average is very far away and you are down the net. So I think everything is too clear as you see it, guys. Look where we are in a downtrend from here. every time we just came, we touch it, then we fall down, and the 200 moving average is here. So you are in a very sharp downtrend, guys. Nothing was changed. Only thing here, it's showing here a sideways market or a resting or name it, whatever you want. And the market here, he couldn't break that lower here. So I think everything is too clear. Now let's go into see 4 hours, guys, what the Bitcoin doing right now, if there is any swing trading opportunity. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, in the 4 hours. In the 4 hours, the last video, what did I told you here about those ones, guys? I told you about that candle here, that one. Let me zoom it a little bit. I know it's not clear. It came here, that pin bar here, guys, that one. That red one here. Then also the market is going to reverse. Then it's go up till here. Then look at that red candle. Where is the portion it's happening? It's happening from the top. That means there is more people. They want it to fall down. And it fall down till here. And now that candle here, that one, the candle of European close. Look at it, what it's showing, guys. It's showing the market, it reverse up. And that candle, how long it's left for it? It's left for it 1 hour, 20 minutes. It might at the end of the 4 hours, you're going to see it red again. And that candle, why it's showing that? Look at it. Look where you are, guys. You see it or no? Where I bring it? I bring it from here, here, and here. And now here, guys. I think everything is too clear, guys. So as I told you, that candle here, it's showing in that level here, a big rejection. So what should you do here in the 4 hours, guys? Should you buy? Should not? Not yet, guys. It's still very early for you to enter long. And look here what the market giving you, guys. Here, it give you like a down channel, guys. Yes or no? As you see it, it touches the top here, the lower of it, here and here. The top of it, here and here and here. And it tells me it's going to be very clear compared to here in 4 hours. So we are going to go there. So what should you do here? Nothing, my friend. Unless if it came the market and break in here. Yes, you can enter. If the market came and break in the top of that channel here, you can enter long. But till now, it's still very early. Like last time how we enter here, if you remember. Last time we used to have here a down channel like that. When it's breaking here, we enter and we take profit here, guys. Same thing now. If it's happening and breaking here, we will enter long again. Everything is too clear, guys. Now it's going to see our indicators what the same for the picture to be more clear to you. That one, guys, as you see it, us here, we are in a very clear downtrend and we are in the control of the bears, guys. So as you remember, when it's breaking here, I told you it's going to reverse, and that's what happened. And when it's breaking here, also we enter long, and here we're taking profit, guys. So now here it's showing you are in a downtrend, guys. Yes, in that level where you are, look here with me what I'm going to do, guys. I just came here like that, and I draw in here a support or a supply and demand level. Look at it here and here and here, and now it's showing here a rejection. So it might from here to give you another high, then it's going to give you another low. I think everything is too clear, guys, here. So we're going to see our other indicator what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. Here our other indicator, guys, as you see it, that one also taking profit here, and now it started getting red here. So should you buy, my friend? Not yet. It's need to enter to the oversold area again, and it's need to break for us that price action I show you here. You got in 4 hours, guys, that down channel. If it doesn't, also we are not going to enter, guys. Unless if it came and break in here, yes, you can enter at that time. But now it's still early. It might, if it doesn't break, it might is going to fall down more, guys. So it's still very early for you to think of to enter, guys. And I'm going to come back to update you guys when the daily candle finishes. So if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also every day, guys, we put in 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. And here in the 4 hours, guys, what did I told you got here? Here like that, and we draw it like that. We got here a trend line or a triangle, guys. So now either to break for us higher here or to break lower. If it's breaking lower, it's going to go fall down. If it's breaking high, also we're going to enter, guys, because here in the 4 hours, guys, we are not going to enter short, because now also we are very close to the oversold. It might is going to break and it fall down, but also we are not going to enter, guys, because it's still very early for us to enter short. Also we are just looking for a buy opportunity now, because also we are very close to the oversold. And here we got a price action as I show it to you, guys. That one here, as you see it, it's very clear, guys, triangle. And now here in the down of it, it's showing a rejection. So now we will wait if it's going to break up, and show you we got here a channel. So let's wait in the coming days, guys. Everything is too clear. By the way, I know you don't smash in the like button. Go ahead and do it, my friend, helping us. Yes, I'm talking to you. Smashing the like button, writing down a comment in all that channel with how to use growing up. Yes, you and the other and the other. So you first smashing the like and the others, they are going to smash it, my friend. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much, my friend. Let's go now to 30 minutes to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in 30 minutes, guys. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. And here in 30 minutes, look at it, what it giving us here. Look at that channel here in 30 minutes, how clear it is, guys. You see it or no? It's a very, very, very clear down channel here in 30 minutes. Yes or no? So what should you do here in 30 minutes, guys? Nothing, my friend. It's still very early here. And here, look, you got a very stronger supply and demand zone. Look at it here, 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 and here. Yes or no? So now, either if it's breaking higher here, we will enter long, guys. Who's going to confirm that to us is our indicator, guys. Let's see it. Our indicator, what it's saying, guys. Also, we are here at the oversold area. Yes or no? And here what you got, guys. Look at it. And look here. You got a divergence, guys, here in 30 minutes. So now, if the Bitcoin came and breaking for you here, the upper of that channel here, you enter long. Take profit of you. It needs to be here at the last high, guys. Here, at that level here. Focus me what I did. I came to the top of that one and the top of that one. Then I make them in a square. Like that, guys. Look. So the same thing even you need to do. Over here, if it's breaking the top of that channel, you taking the profit in that level here, and that indicator of us, it needs to be at the overbought area, guys. Everything is too clear? So that's it for that video, guys. See you in the daily candle. Finish it. Bye for now, guys.